Okay, imagine a regular work day, but this time your plus one is your wife. Yep. It's bring your wife to work day, and we turned it into the cutest little date. Basically, a date with my hubby, but with a corporate twist. We started out driving to the station, tea in hand, trying not to miss our train downtown. The ride felt like a little adventure, just us chatting, laughing, people watching, and pretending we were city kids again. So we got into the train, and my usual favorite spot is always on the upper deck. And yeah, we sat down, chilled, enjoyed the view, and after what felt like the longest train ride downtown, we finally arrived. And by the way, tell me why going downtown feels like traveling inter-province. I cannot understand it. Anyway, we arrived and stumbled into this little open air music fest. Nothing fancy, just live music in the air, guitars, drum, and good vibes. We noticed everyone was nibbling on something, everyone had something to eat in front of them. But at this point, we weren't really hungry, but we were like, okay, maybe we need to grab something or keep our mouths busy somehow. Not me checking this man out as he walked to me. Sidebar. Some of you are probably wondering what happened to my own work that I followed this man to his office. Well, as you'd imagine, I took a day off just for this, right? So make sure you guys are taking your day off, because nobody will take it for you and you just end up losing it. So you might as well just use it up. It's a paid time off anyway, so why not if not? Okay, so back to the gist. We grabbed some ice cream and just stood there soaking it in. Honestly, it already felt like a date before we even got to his office. So we sat at this very aesthetic picture corner and took some pictures, and then we set off walking to his office. Got in finally, grabbed some water, and I did the real life wife things. I used the bathroom, changed my sanitary, the little things people don't show on vlogs, but that's real life. Washed my hands, a quick lip touch up, plus selfies. I mean, come on. Then to my surprise, there was a massage area in his office. Of course, I went straight for it. Quick massage. Don't mind if I do. So after spending over an hour getting a full body massage, couldn't complain, trust me. Then came the fun part. They had this whole gaming area, board games, video games, checkers, and yes, a perfect view of the city. Hobby challenged me to connect four, and let's just say I won, of course. But obviously, he'll tell the story a little differently. But we all know the truth. The banter was top tier, and we laughed like teenagers again. Well, let me let you watch how I won this game. Considering I married a sore loser, it felt so good rubbing this in again. Anyway, we carried on just basking in the beautiful view, and then we started dancing to absolutely no music at all. In fact, the music was in our head. So after my victory, he gave me a little tour of his office, showed me his desk, the meeting rooms, even the little coffee nook. We grabbed coffee together, joked around, talked, and honestly, it was so wholesome. It's like we turned his regular work day into a little adventure, and I love it for us. We became hungry, so we decided to wrap it all up with lunch. Couldn't stay to eat, so we grabbed takeout instead. Still giggling about our Connect 4 battle, then realized, oh wait, we're parents. So we had to rush back to catch the train just in time to pick up the kids from school, and just like that, back to mom and dad duties.